Yeah, energy security is top of mind for everyone right now, and I really think that we need a sustainable and solid energy plan that hits on 4 key areas. Certainly, we need to understand that this is a multi-resource solution. No one solution is available to us. Oil, natural gas, coal, renewables, they're all going to be an important part of the mix. We also need to make sure that we have a policy that's long-term in nature. We can't go for a short-term fix. We need a long-term planning horizon, maybe 30 years in duration, to really come up with some solutions that are going to help us. We need to also make sure that we have a long-term investment horizon that's focused on a solid policy of carbon reduction. That's got to be a critical component of how we evaluate solutions that are available to us. And then I think lastly, we need to make sure that we have the right sort of investment and collaboration between the public and the private sectors in terms of innovation, technology, and people.